So hi everyone, Samal Testile. Today I try not to be serious. So today I'm going to show you tips on how to tune up and maintain your computer, Mac, iMac, desktop, and laptop like MacBook, Mac Pro, Mac Air. So how to maintain and tune up software. The last video I show you was the hardware, hard drive, how to keep hardwares, um, how to maintain. Now this time is the software. So if you watch my previous video, and you will know about how to tune up the hard drive, and now this is the software. So if you watch this one, then you can maintain your computer very smooth transition, and it makes you a faster, long lasting, and more reliable, uh, so your computer will stay for ever and ever and ever. So my computer is right now 7 years old, still running really good, right? So stay tuned. I'm going to show you now next. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. I hope you guys like it and it helps you. Thank you. Bye. And I request you to please share, because someone might really need to know this, right? So please share. Your help is to share and subscribe. Thank you. Trashidele, Tsangma Trashidele. Hi everyone. Okay. After few years, your Mac slow down, but thinking go and buy new one. But there are number of ways maybe you able to regain some speed. So here I'm going to show you some tips. Okay, stay tuned. The first and foremost is you have to go to check the software update. So if you haven't done any software updates, you must do this first. Okay, for new version, for security performance, and keep your Mac updates. So all you have to do is go to App Store. My logo at the dock, so which I can open from here. But if you don't have on the dock, then there is two way to go: application finder and the launchpad. These two will take you the same destination. So I go here. So these are the application. So you go to App Store now. Okay, I'll zoom down here. Right, App Store. Double click. So here a number of icons are here too, and you see check the update here. So my case is my computer is the only one that update left was iMovie that I did yesterday. So mine updates are complete, right? So done. So if you have any updates, it show you on the left here, says update blah 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 here, then you just update. Update is very important first tips. Okay guys, so now the second is delete unused files. Okay, now over the years you probably cluttered your Mac files and application you no longer use or need it. So if this is the case, you check the files and folders and get rid of it and reclaim some hard drive space. And yes, don't forget to empty recycle bin once in a while. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. Go to Finder and go to download. Okay, these are the now files and folders. If you don't need it, over years that sitting here, you don't need that, and then you just get rid of. So let's say like I do, let me check. So these are, you see, move to trash, and then these pictures are, so I go down, I don't, all these space that takes, how much it takes, say 160 megabyte. I don't need to keep this now. So like that, you can choose whole bunch of files at once, and then you can delete it. So that way you can make a lot of space and makes you faster. And then the second one, again here, another option here, again go to the same download. Right now, if you really hesitate and you don't want to delete, right, you don't want to get rid of, then I would do is, like, okay, let's say this one, and drag to iCloud. You can put all this story in iCloud, which is, you can save your hard drive space and it makes you faster. So that's another option. All right, now third one is, now if your Mac is slow to boot up, the problem may be there are simply too many applications are running at the same time while you're opening all this, right? So these are running at background that slow you down. So let's go. So in order to avoid these applications while you boot up, should not be run because it slows you down. That's the reason. So now we go here, Apple logo here, and then go to system preference, right? Once you get there, and you will see this applications, and then go to user group. Okay, once you go there, and you will see here login items, right? So press there, you see how many files are running, system running while you opening computer. So I don't need to run all this, right? One by one you see Android file transfer, iTunes helper, Google Chrome, Grammarly, Garmin Express, that's my GPS, and all this I don't need to run at the same time, right? When you need it, just you can click it, double click, and then you use it, right? But you don't need here. So unchecked all. That's it. You're good to go now. It's not gonna run here. So thank you very much for watching my channel. And the final stage is here now. Trash bin here. So click right, empty up, right? And then it says, are you sure you want to permanently erase the item in the trash? So yes, empty trash out. There you go. Clean now. Empty. Right? Guys, if you need a clean Mac, fast Mac, and some people they they feel insecurity, so they buy this kind of anti-malware things, and I would recommend you make sure before you download any software application, make sure you check the review, the most important before you step up anything. So study the review, how it works, and people tells you everything, so just go for it if you like it. But for me, I wouldn't go that way because I don't trust this. I trust Apple, they built up with that, so it's good for me. So but still, if you need it, then as I said before, so go for it, and make sure you download the application right thing. So that's very important. So take care guys, thank you, bye bye.